2021 Nissan Titan V8 endurance motor. Fat truck. Look at that. Beautiful truck. They really outdid themselves on the Titans. I like it. Anyways, what it's got done on it. Factory converters there, and there. Then it usually goes into a, it's true dual from the factory into dual in, single out muffler. But we can't have that. We said we're gonna true dual it all the way. So what we did is put a MAGNAFLOW 14-inch body, dual in, dual out, as you guys can see right there. Out the back, part number 11386, 14-inch body muffler, 2.5-inch in, 2.5-inch out. Then we did 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side. There and right there. As you guys can see, custom bent all the way back into quad tips. Right there and right there. We got these new quad tips in. We'll have a link in the description for them for you guys. Double wall stainless steel, black chrome. Just really sexy, really clean. As you guys can see. I don't know, there's the muffler that came on it. And as you guys can see, it's raining. Sorry guys. It's dual in, right there. Single out, right there. Then it's got a baby resonator on it and a tailpipe. That looks so much better than what it was. Like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, so much better. What do you guys think of the sound? Wow, that sounds really nice. Your sound decibels? Right at 105, not too much. Go ahead and back it out. Nissan Titan Platinum Reserve. That sounds good. It's cold, guys, here, so that's why you guys see the smoke. Let you guys hear on the inside.